today I'm going to be playing Cat versus Mouse. So Cat versus Mouse is, I can't speak. Cat versus Mouse is basically a game where they pick who is the cat and the other people are mouse. You have gamers like trap tag or hide and seek. Trap tag is where the cats have to trap all the mouses and you have to hide. So if I am a cat, I have to try get all of them. If I'm a mouse, I have to try escape. Selecting the cats right now, and last one, I am a mouse. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of places to hide, but trap tag they put you in a cage and then you can save your teammates also. So, yeah. Already done 2 other videos, but at the time right now you might have not watched them because I haven't posted them yet. But I will post them a bit after this. Wait, let's go in this house. Wait. If we get up on the door. Oh! They won't know how to get up here, will they? Let me taunt. How can I taunt? I did that noise. Right, we're on the door handle. They won't know how to get up here. Avoid the cats and save your trapped teammates. Alright, where's my teammate that's trapped? Oh, they saved him. You got trapped again? I don't think he's coming up here. Let's go down and save the guy. No! Frick, go away. Go away! Oh, I saved him. No! Got me. W. Oh my god. No, we're gonna lose. No, you dumb mouse. Oh my god, he's not dumb. Got invincibility or something. Bro, how? Okay, I guess we're gonna wait till we escaped by someone. Come on, you 2 people, wherever you are, help. Oh, they're gonna spawn camp now, aren't they? I did a taunt so they would come. No, there's 1 person left, please win. They saved him. Come on. Come over here. No, there's 1 person left. Please, wherever you are, come. Come on. Where are you, man? I think he's just trying to survive. And how much is it to escape? 25. No, I don't want to waste it in this game. Yes, he saved one. Come on, come down here. Oh my god. Thank you, you W man. I'm going back to the same spot. I'm going back. Let's go, we won because of that guy, W. Alright, we'll do trap tag, freeze tag again. Can't pick it, but yeah, voted it. Hopefully I'm not a cat this time. Wait, friend request. Oh, I don't know who that is. Please, I don't want to be a cat. I'm not a cat, let's go. Oh wait, close this message. Yo, where are we? Wait, let me try getting this bucket. Wait, can I get in that bucket? No, I can't. Alright, there's a lot of places to hide in this map. Oh, he's right there, he's right there. But I can hide here, right? How are they up there? Oh no, 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 no. Go around and save him. Get in, get in, get in. I'm going. Oh, sugar. He didn't see me. Come on. We're on top of the boat. Oh my god, we're on top of the boat. Oh my god, this is perfect hiding spot. Oh, come on, man. Why did I go in this stupid spot? Oh, I gotta wait for someone to save me. There's 2 guys left. So I can't really see anything with this hand. Bro, the cat's camping. It's not fair. Oh, we lost. Cats won 3. Alright, I'm gonna do one more round. Okay, let me see the time. Yeah, one more round. And then that's it. Should we do eat the cheese? No, everyone wants to do trap, freeze, whatever. What about cat? My cat? No, I think I'm a mouse. I'm a mouse again, let's go. Oh wait, they're not gonna see me up here, are they? Unless one of them spawned here. No, I didn't know this was a place. But how high up is this? Oh, we're at the top. So we'll take them. No, they're not finding me. They're actually not finding me. It says I'm safe. But even this person's up here. They might see us, so I'm just gonna go back in. How did the person get there? Oh! Wait, so next time we get this map, we could go in there. We could go in that circus or that massive place. Or that one, okay. That person jumped up. Oh, they're still there. Oh, this is an OP spot. And it takes ages to get up here as well. They don't know where we are. There's two of us left. There's me and that person. Oh no. They're coming. He's coming. Coming up. Wait a minute. Oh shoot, he's coming, he's coming. He's coming up. It's gonna keep going around. Ah, I jumped off! No, no. Oh my god, why did I jump off? Should have just kept going around. Oh, there's 2 people left. 3 people, yes. Let's go. He's coming, he's coming. Let's go. W. No, she's. He went off to that one, W. Go. It's gonna take ages to get back up here, but I'm gonna do it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna win for my team. Let's go! We won! Okay, that's gonna be the end of the video. If you enjoyed me playing Cat vs Mouse, stay tuned for some other videos that I'll do soon. And I'll see you next time. Peace!